How to fix the issue where your laptop keyboard is not working. So if you're trying to press specific keys on your keyboard and it's just not doing anything, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So the first solution is you can come and open up the start menu with your mouse, and then you can click on settings. Over in the left hand navigation, click on accessibility and then scroll all the way down and click on keyboard. Now make sure sticky keys at the top here is turned off and disabled like this. You can then click on the arrow next to it and also make sure all of these options are turned off. Once you've done that, come back over to the previous window. Also make sure filter keys is turned off like so. And then finally, just make sure toggle keys is also switched to off. Once you've done all of this, you can then check to see if your keyboard is now working. If it's still not working, then come over to your desktop and hover over the taskbar. You can then right click on the Windows icon and you need to click on Device Manager. From the list of options here, we need to go and click on the drop down next to keyboards, and you should be able to see your keyboard from the list. Now all we're going to do is right click on this and press uninstall device, and then you can go and press uninstall. Now once your keyboard's been uninstalled, we'll need to go and restart our computer, and when you restart your computer, it's going to reinstall that keyboard driver, and then once again you can check to see if that solved the issue. If you're still having an issue, the final solution is to come back over to your start menu, then you need to search for control panel and click on this window here. Obviously if your keyboard's not working, you may not be able to search for control panel. So what you can do instead is bring up the on-screen keyboard and you can use this to type in control panel. Once you're on the control panel, make sure view by is set to large icons and then click on power options. You then need to click on choose what the power button does and then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. You then need to make sure turn on fast startup is disabled like this. Sometimes this can actually interfere with the keyboard and make it not work. So once you've turned this off, you can just go and press save changes, and now if you restart your computer, that should have fixed any keyboard issues. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.